I don't understand how he fell into the well.
I think he fallen by mistake. Now we think how to save him.
I get an idea. We should throw a piece of wood into the well. He will come out. I think my idea is right. I'll just pick up a piece of wood and throw it into the well.
This idea is no use of. That helpless to the crocodile with the help of wood.
Hey, are you smarter than me? Now just see. As soon as I throw a piece of wood into the well, he will come out.
What are you doing here?
I'm thinking of take the crocodile had fallen in the well.
I can't feel like crocodile dying like this. It is my duty to protect a needy living being.
The crocodile has not fallen into the well, but has been thrown into the well. He has been committed a lot of cruelty in the forest, due to which he has been thrown into the well.
I don't agree with you guys. Do not put anyone into the well as punishment his bad deeds.
He has eaten children. He has created terror in the forest. That's why we have imprisoned in the well. If you save him, he added create trouble in the forest.
I'm smart enough. You don't need to explain to me much.
Yeah, you do your work.
Look, don't try to save the crocodile.
Now she is troubling us. She won't understand like this. Wait.
This is dumb. You are making a mistake.
I go inside to the well and tie to crocodile with a rope and come out and start pulling the rope.
Pull it little harder.
Yes, I'm doing. I had pulled the rope. That is why he come out.
No, he is out because I have thrown that wooden piece into the well.
So friends, the moral of the story is